Alright, John Sierra with ASC Exteriors doing a repair attempt video out here at 211 Abiding. It is April the 1st. We're out here for Mr. Jason. It is 2 minutes before 11 a.m. Current temperature outside is 67 degrees. It is cloudy. We have a 3-tap shingle. This is the shingle. You can clearly see the crease here that is going to be attempted to be replaced. And what I'm doing is I'm outlining the entire shingle. So how this shingle is installed, I am going to have to pry this row up, and then I'm gonna have to pry this row up as well. So how it's installed, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 total shingles that are gonna be impacted in the attempt to replace or repair this shingle. Let's get started. That one's unsealed already. I do want to notate there's a ton of granular loss here on this shingle. I am also using the roof snake in an attempt to remove or replace this shingle. Big nails. Alright, so that row's taken out. I like to pull on it just to make sure. So it is installed correctly. It was nailed in the nail zone, but the head lap was also nailed down when the next row is installed, which is the correct way to do it. All right, so there's the shingle. There's the crease. You can kind of see it's full of pollen because it is April. What type of shingle we got? It is a CertainTeed 2012. 2012 CertainTeed. So we do know that the shingle dimensions have changed considerably. Clean this up here. I think the filter, this is weird, has a shingle right here. That's kind of strange. Just on how this is installed. So it is paper felt. You can clearly see 15-pound felt paper. What I'm going to do is, because this little shingle was installed here like this, probably just to keep it from being on the edge so it doesn't rip off with the wind, I'm going to install these shingles right back in. I'm not cutting any shingles to size or doing anything weird to a current market shingle. Something I want to notate as well is apparently the nails that was used to install this roof, you can see here, are 1 3/4 inches. So using the roof snake to re-nail that back down, it's going to be pretty much impossible. They're designed for 1 1/4 inches, not 1 3/4 inches. As you can see, I just struck that and it popped out. So if I got some in here. And lastly, what I want to do here is see where we're at. 20-year 3-tab. Oh, on the fiberglass side, you can see that 20, about 25-year 3-tab. Very difficult to use this roof snake. At this point, that's going to cause more damage. I'm just going to use of course. Pull that one back before it's supposed to. All right, so this is the one in question. This is the one that would be replaced. You can clearly see here, this one. Actually gonna re-nail it down. Barely touched it, barely moved it. And you can see even the pollen that is creasing this shingle right across the top. So professional recommendation is this roofing assembly, the way it's designed, the way it's installed, will not accept a repair. A full replacement is warranted and advised. Thank you.